Have you ever used Windows for years, then one little change makes you feel like somebody moved all the furniture in your house overnight? That is not because you are bad at computers. Most of us learned a string of clicks, not a picture of how the system fits together. In this series, we are going to replace some of that guessing with a model you can actually use. Here is the simple version. Your PC is the physical machine. Windows is the operating system, the layer that helps you use that machine. Programs are the tools that do particular jobs, your browser, photo editor, spreadsheet, or game. And your files are the work and information you create, save, find, and use. They are different things even though they spend all day together. You do not need to memorize every Windows screen. You need to know what each one is for. Start is a good place to launch an app or search. Settings is where you adjust how the PC behaves. File Explorer is where you find, open, organize, and manage files and folders. The layout can vary by Windows version, device, account, or work rules, but those jobs are still a useful map. This is not trivia. If an app is acting strange, you think about the program. If you cannot find a document, you think about the file and its location. If something about the computer itself is behaving oddly, Windows or the device may be the place to investigate. You will not solve everything with one diagram, but you will stop treating every problem like the same mystery. Press Windows plus E, open File Explorer, find one harmless file and say, "This is my file and this is the tool Windows gives me to work with it." Simple models are powerful when you use them. Next, we will look at how Windows is organized so you know where Start, Settings, and File Explorer fit in the bigger picture.